Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can basically find the Cupcake costume on Dress to Impress. So they did replace the hot dog with it. It is in the same spot. You're going to go here, which is outside of the VIP room, and then you're just going to select put on this Cupcake outfit. And ta-da, you have this cute Cupcake outfit on. I think I might change the hat to like a similar color vibe. You can also change the color of your cupcake, I think. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Also, if you can't find the Cupcake costume, you need to be in a new server, so just go into the regular servers first and don't play in the free play one. If you think this video was helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!